Hello students, in today's lecture we'll be covering Introduction to Statistics, Origin and Development of Statistics, Definition, Importance and Scope, Limitations, Distrust of Statistics. Many of the students ask me, why is statistics required in data science, or how much statistics will be required in data science? I would like to tell you all that statistics will play a very important role in the life of a data scientist. You'll be getting huge amount of data and you'll use statistics to turn that into meaningful insights. 30% of your time during any data science project will be spent in doing exploratory data analysis and feature engineering. Also, during your Viva or during a job interview, the interviewer will ask you questions about basics in statistics, and your answers will reflect your knowledge in the entire data science field. Coming to the history of statistics, statistics developed as a science of statecraft. It meant collecting data about states' population and wealth, basically to carry out taxation and military planning. About 2000 years back, during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya, Kautilya's Arthashastra included vital statistics about births, deaths, essential for governance. Even during Akbar's reign, Raja Todarmal was detailed to keep records of land and agriculture statistics. During mid-17th century, the theory of probability came into being, and in 18th century, vital statistics gained prominence for studying births and deaths and development of life insurance. Now coming to the definition of statistics. This is very important. Most of the time the examiner will ask a question or will ask you, what do you mean by statistics? At that time you have to give a clear-cut definition of statistics. You cannot say that statistics is mathematics or statistics deals with graphs. No, you have to give the exact definition. So statistics is the science which deals with the collection, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Coming to the importance and scope of statistics, in the field of planning, governments use statistics for carrying out resource allocation and infrastructure development. In economics, it is used for formulating macroeconomic policies and cost-benefit analysis. In businesses, we use it to analyze market trends and consumer preferences. In industry, it is used for quality control and defect prevention. In combination with mathematics, it is used for doing data analysis. In astronomy, it is used for studying the movement of celestial bodies, and in psychology, it is used to do psychological test reliability. In war, it is used by military strategists to minimize effort and maximize impact. Coming to limitations of statistics, always remember that statistics is not suitable for qualitative phenomenon. Qualitative phenomenon means dealing with sentiments like honesty. Statistics always deals with quantitative phenomenon, that is dealing with numbers. Similarly, it does not study individuals, it studies a group or a collection of objects or a set of data. Statistical laws are not exact and they are liable to be misused. Now coming to distrust of statistics. Suppose you meet a person and the person tells you that he has stood second in the class or he has scored the second highest marks in the class. What will you think about this person? You'll think that this person is very clever. In the entire class, he has stood second. But on further interrogation, you ask him how many students were there in the class and he tells you that there were only 2 students in the class. What will be your inference? I think it will be exactly opposite of what you thought before. This shows that the figures can be manipulated. This strategy is mostly used by the TV news reporters or the business analysts. They will project you some figures which will give you a very bright picture, but when you actually work it on ground, you find that the result is totally different. So be very careful when you are dealing with data, especially in the field of data science. Whatever data you are dealing with, you should ensure that it is coming from a reliable source and is truthworthy. So that's it for today. In the next video, we'll be covering sampling. Thank you.